Alright, what's up guys? So here I am back at the integration of putting the Momo steering wheel with the quick release and integrating this with the NRG short hub adapter. And Houston, we've got some couple of problems. First of all, those wirings. If supposedly, so basically from the last video, just like I told you guys, this ring was on this side, and then we removed it and we welded it on the back side so it would sit flat on the NRG. And we had to make some small space at the back so it would fit over here, because the nut is slightly higher than this level, you know. But if we mount this way, it's going to be touching the wires like that. So this is definitely not the right way to do it, and you will not have a right sitting position. So you need to put this flange here. But now we have another issue with this flange, so it's also hitting this, and we've got a small gap. So basically the idea is for the wires to go through this, you know. Sorry, just give me a second. So the idea is for the wires to go through this and this panel over here from this side, and then we mount it on this like this basically. So if we mount it in this way, just give me a second. Okay, so basically if we mount it at this way like that, the wirings can go through here, this section, and it will be easy for me to put the quick release and connect the wirings. But what I need to do on the next video is I need to cut this, you know, so that it would sit properly, you know, because if it sits properly, you see it's already in level with the nut, and basically the neck can sit flush on it, and then you can connect your wirings. So I'm using one hand. See, it can go through this side, and I'm gonna come back again. I need to go back actually to the welding shop to get this centerpiece cut off, and then reinstall it, and then show you how it's done. Until then, please like, and see you guys soon. Peace out.